Good morning. Well, today we're making lumber and a whole lot of it, hopefully. We actually started yesterday. Got a big pile that is going to be flooring for our kiln and a bunch of siding and a whole bunch of other stuff. But I kind of woke up this morning and thought I should be filming this stuff. So today we're going to at least film one log because we're really kind of in production mode, cranking out a lot of stuff. I think yesterday we easily made well over $1,000 worth of lumber, which is kind of exciting. So what we're dealing with today is a bunch of pine. That's what we've been dealing with yesterday as well. We're at our friends Brad and Sonny's place. They cleared some trees to build themselves a big old shop and a barn and offered some of those logs to us. And since we got a portable sawmill, well, go where the logs are. It's pretty nice to have good friends who are especially generous. Can't beat it, really. So we're going to start tearing into this log and make some more boards. Cheers. This is really where the magic starts to happen. Once you get down to a square like this, boards just peel right off the top and lumber comes off this machine fast. This is pretty exciting stuff. Pure gold. All right, for this log here, this is the last part of what we're going to do for it. These are the cutoffs or the flitches, the scraps, whatever you want to call them. We're just tilting them up on edge and taking off the one barky side. This is just a byproduct of making that square cant and making an efficient log to cut. So really just put them up on edge and we're going to shave off the bark and we'll have a whole bunch more boards. It's like magic. Nice job, Brenda.
Thanks, Jeff. Thanks for your help.
Hi, Brad.
Howdy. I'm supervising.
It's a union job. Well, that's one log. It's about a 12-inch diameter Ponderosa pine. Gorgeous log, not very big. But the question is, how much lumber did we get out of it? Any guesses? I don't know. How much did we get? That's a good question. How much did we get? I'm gonna count and I'll be back. All right, we got 12 1x6s out of that board, or out of that log. True 1x6s, so 1 inch by 6, not dimensional stuff, but 1 inch by 6 inches. Those are actually going to be used for our board and batten siding, which is great. Small little log, got a whole bunch of lumber. So we're going to keep on going, and thanks for watching. We'll see you soon, I'm sure. All right, see you later.
Stack started dangling there. I'm going to critique it from my manager's chair.